welcome back to the channel. Today we are touring a magnificent penthouse here in Dubai. This property is listed with Stephan at Sotheby's Real Estate. His details will be right here. If you guys have any inquiries, fill out that Google form and we will put you in contact. Specs of the property will be right here. Now I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say about this property. I'm super excited, and for now guys, let's start the tour. Finally, in the entrance of the home, and you'll notice this beautiful large swivel door that shuts seamlessly. Very interesting handle, a big slab of wood, and you'll notice this light wood throughout the home. Now we've got it on the flooring as well. Now when you come into this home, it's very zen, feels incredibly tranquil, and the owners did such a good job in making sure that you really feel it throughout the home. So the spacing of the furniture, even in the hallway, you've got the wooden panels on each side, and then we also have the texture here as well. Now, when you come into the home, you've got this beautiful natural light beaming into the space because we have the view of the skyline. Now, this property has been fully fit out. Everything is brand new, new flooring, new furniture, and honestly, everything is to die for. Now, come check out this space here. We have this beautiful space for you to sit, live, relax, take in the views, the natural light. Coffee table in the center, beautiful neutral seating, wooden flooring throughout, and of course we have the double height ceiling here, which is essentially the thing that you would want in a penthouse. You would want to feel like you are on top of the world, and you certainly feel like that here. Fantastic coffee table in the center, and then we've got neutral seating around. Now what I really like is that it feels very minimalistic, and of course throughout the home you'll notice a Japandi theme. The owners did a great job in representing that. Now, if I look at the ceiling height, you will notice the wooden cladding on the ceiling as well. And we've got this beautiful pillar. Now, with living in a penthouse like this, you want to feel like you have views. But of course, you also have your own private pool outside as well, which I'm going to show you guys later. Now, I want to take you guys to the other side of the room where the dining table is. But as we're going by, I want to point out the features that this building offers. You have private beach access. It's a Dorchester Collection, so you also have concierge service as well. So that's what it's about, living in a home that truly represents luxury. Now, the dining table in itself is a statement. And what I really like is that it's understated. You've got that wooden finishing, nice leather chairs, contemporary light fixture. Now, I like the fact that they didn't do such a big light fixture, because I believe I've filmed a penthouse before and they had such a big light, it blocked out the view. So with Omniat as well, the developer, they wanted to make sure that people that lived in this building, they got the experience of having 360 views. Now, the panels are incredibly thin and you can't actually hear anything outside, which is very, very nice, especially living on the Palm. And the location, you would think that you would hear cars going by or anything like that. It's incredibly quiet. Beautiful neutral seating here, coffee table, and the TV. So when you are here, you get that sunset, you've got the Ain. So during New Year's Eve, you will have a fantastic view. Now behind me, we have the kitchen area, beautiful island with the waterfall edge, fantastic wooden finishing. And of course, we have gagging out appliances, which is what you would expect of a home like this. I really love the finishing and how they implemented darker wood as well. So they didn't go with the light so much. I like that they broke it down so you've got a bit of both. Now, on the other side, we have the staffing quarter here, and you have a beautiful room, which was done incredibly well. I really like that they really thought about the design. So with the staff room, it almost feels like a hotel room in Japan, which I absolutely love. Now, what you'll notice with this space is that this is chef's kitchen, which I actually believe is spaced really nicely. You have floor to ceiling windows. It's incredibly symmetrical. So while standing here, you've got the Siemens appliances, tons of storage underneath, LED light strip, so it will really have a nice light throughout the nighttime, because you also have the skyline lighting up, and then here, be incredibly soft, tons of storage underneath, and then we have the sliding pocket door as well. Now I want to take you guys to this side. So this is actually the office room. So you've got that wooden flooring that we saw throughout in the living room area right here. Beautiful rug in the center. Now you'll notice there's an art piece here with the spotlight on it. So of course we have neutral tones throughout the home, but they gave that splash of color. Now moving over to the desk area, we've got travertine here, storage underneath, and beautiful light fixture underneath with the wooden slabs behind it. Now what I like what they did with this area, that they didn't overcrowd it with items. They kept it very minimal, which really goes with the theme of the home. Now I want to take you guys to the bedrooms. I want to give you guys an idea of what the floor plan is. We have 2 bedrooms on this side and a family room. We have the master bedroom here and another bedroom. So there's 4 bedrooms in total. And even with this space, you can create another family room as well. So for a penthouse, we have tons of space, and I really like the layout. Now, let's go check out this side first. You'll notice the textured wall here, wall sconces on each side. And of course, we have a hidden door for storage, which I absolutely love, which really goes with the Japanese theme. And they've added this texture here, which almost feels like exposed concrete. Now, we have the sliding pocket doors, which is with the finger hook, but I want you guys to have a look at the detailing here. I mean, look at this, absolutely gorgeous with the wooden paneling and this beautiful finishing. Now, this family room has just been placed incredibly well because you have so much privacy, beautiful artwork here, sliding glass doors, and on the other side, it actually gives you access to the pool area. Now, the reason why this room is beautiful is because, of course, we have the view of the Burj Al Arab. Now, that for me is one of my favorite buildings here in Dubai. I think if you have that view, you're very, very lucky, because the fireworks display that they actually have during that time is just insane. And over here, we also have a private island, and not a lot of people own properties there because it's actually owned by a sheikh. So it's gorgeous to be able to see an island with so much greenery outside as well. Now, with this room, you can actually convert it into another bedroom as well, because you've got tons of greenery surrounding you. You could just do landscaping on this side, and you essentially have your own private balcony with the pool area. So there's so much that you can actually do with this property if you wanted more bedrooms throughout the home. So I want to take you guys to the bedroom on the other side. This room is incredibly bright, very inviting. Now, we'll notice throughout the home is that they've got the low beds with the wooden framing around and behind it. Floating light shelves, which is incredibly beautiful. I really like how clean and aesthetically pleasing it looks. The texture behind the bed, and I really like how they've added the thin wooden panels as well. Now, the main feature when you come into this room that's breathtaking is that you have the floor-to-ceiling glass windows with the view of the Burj Al Arab. So on a clear day, it's not the best day, unfortunately, guys. We have not been blessed with a nice blue sunny day. It's a bit hazy and foggy outside, but I'm sure on a good day, this is what you would call the epitome of luxury living. Now, we have the bathroom on the other side. So going in, you've got the vanity, you've got the bath, the shower, the water closet, and of course, when you are showering, you have the view of the Burj Al Arab. You'll notice the large tiles on the floor. Now, large tiles are very, very important when you are designing a home because it screams luxury and it's been done incredibly well. Now, we're going to leave the bathroom and this bedroom, and we're going to go check out the bedroom on the other side. What a beautiful space. Once again, same sort of finishing that we've seen throughout. Tons of storage on this side, and then we've got this beautiful texture on this wall that they've left, which really gives it some depth to the space. And all the textures are not necessarily the same, but it really goes incredibly well together. Now over here we have the washroom, which has been finished exactly the same. Once again, the walk-in shower with the recessed wall, and then we have the view of the Burj Al Arab as well. So I have to say, throughout the home, it doesn't matter what room that you have, you will have a view. Now I want to take you guys to the bedroom, and then we're going to check out the master bedroom, which I'm super excited to show you guys. So going past the office area, we've got a bedroom on this side, finished off with near enough the same sort of materials that we've seen throughout. And this actually is neighboring to the master bedroom. Absolutely breathtaking when you come into this space, because you have the bed in the center, of course, and the natural light beaming in. So when you wake up, it's such a positive environment. With this home, I feel like as I've gone through it and toured it, I feel very zen and at peace. It doesn't feel like there's too much here. And that's what you want your home to feel like. You've got beautiful travertine slab behind the bed, contemporary light fixtures on each side, and then we have travertine slabs and storage underneath as well. You'll notice the bed, which is low as well, which really represents the theme. And one thing I will say is, as I've been in this home, I've noticed that it's very, very quiet. You don't hear anything, which I absolutely love. A nice little chair for you to read. So this is somewhere that I would sit most of the time instead of sitting on the settee or the sofa. I'll probably come here and read and take everything in. Now, over this side, we have a nice little dressing table here, but I want to take you guys into the walk-in wardrobe. The walk-in wardrobe has tons of storage here. We've got that beautiful soft close as we open the cupboard with the light fixture. Now, over here, we have the floor-to-ceiling window, so you have natural light coming in as well. Tons of storage. And then in front of me, we have the washroom. Now, we've got marble surrounds when you come in, Japanese toilet, and then we have the tub in front of me. I mean, this is an absolute spectacle, a beautiful tub with the view. I can imagine myself literally lying here and never leaving. His and her sinks, finished off with the neutral tones, floating shelves. They kept it very minimalistic and very clean, which I absolutely love. Now I'm going to take you guys to the balcony area and show you guys the pool. It is a little bit windy, so bear with me on that. So we're finally on the balcony, which is exactly where you want to be on a day like this, with the view of the Dubai Marina, the harbour, the beautiful beach. I mean, the way that the water is talking to me right now makes me just want to jump in the sea. Over here, we have a beautiful seating area. You'll notice travertine flooring throughout, and then the steps lead you on the other side, and that actually is where the other family room is in the corner, so you have direct access. But I'm looking at the Burj Al Arab right now, and it is literally my focal point. I absolutely love how it looks and how beautiful it is, the fact that you can actually see this from your penthouse. We have a fantastic pool, and you notice the large tiles and the water looks incredibly blue, tropical feel. You've got the landscaping surrounding it, and you have maximum privacy as well. Now, when you look at the pool, it's incredibly enticing because it's got that fantastic infinity edge that we absolutely love. So you have your own little sanctuary throughout this space. And I have to say, this has just been such a spectacle for me to tour. A home that has been done incredibly well, a different aesthetic, a different design, and that's what this channel is all about. I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say about this property. I'll see you in the next one.